Hey guys, Alex here from This Cob House. I'm down here in Florida. We actually just finished putting this roof on this little cob cottage here, and it turned out really well. But what I've got for you guys this week is I have this design packet, Cob House design packet, on sale for the next week, and it comes with over 100 really detailed design diagrams. I cover foundations, bond beams, windows and door installation. I've got designs for second story floors, pretty much everything you need to build a cob, rammed earth, or any kind of building really. I also have electrical and plumbing installation and strategies, and all components you really need. And then on top of that, I have 12 hours of video courses included, which run you step by step how to build a cob house. And again, these concepts apply to rammed earth, adobe, a lot of even conventional construction materials. So basically you're getting the packet in PDF form. It's all digital format, you just download it, but you can feel free to print it off like this. So you're getting the whole packet for the design course, which also comes with an hour of video instruction, and then on top of that you get 12 hours of step-by-step cob construction lessons. So this is like what people refer to as my Cob Bible. It basically includes everything that I've created for teaching and lesson educational purposes. So it's on sale for the next week for $50. And so if you have any interest or plans to build with cob or earthen materials, earth masonry, I highly recommend picking up my courses this week. Really good deal, really good value. So there's a link below in the video description. Just click on that, that'll take you to the secure checkout page, and you can purchase that. It only takes a minute, and after that it'll send you the download files. If you have any problems, just email me, alex@thiscobhouse.com, and I'll talk to you guys soon.